Really excited that you want to learn more about our beta program. Let me just spend a few minutes here to tell you what to expect and what's going to be happening. So the first thing is, once you place your order, we're going to send you a starter kit, and the starter kit is everything you need to get started. So that's going to be a custom handcrafted wall cart on wheels, so you can move it to the location that you need. It's going to have your custom water basin, your water pump, timer, all the irrigation, pots and soil, proprietary soil, and your seedlings. So everything that you need is going to be included in the beta price. We're going to send you videos and content so you know exactly what to do to get started. And then 5 to 7 weeks after you've started harvesting from your wall, we will send you your refresh packet. And in the refresh packet, you're going to get about 20 seedlings, really depending on the size of your wall. And along with that, you will be getting a fertilizer pack to amend your soil, and we'll be giving you lots of content and video tutorials to show you exactly what you need to do. In terms of the beta, we're going to want you to fill out different surveys we send to you online, as well as any pictures that we're asking you to take and uploading those to us. So it's going to be a great program. You're going to be eating really yummy food for the entire time. Our beta program gives you 20% off retail pricing. So when you click on the place order below, you will get the full details on pricing. There's 3 different sizes that we're going to be working with, and all the details will be there. And last thing is, you can expect about 4 to 6 weeks once you place your order before you get your starter kit. And that's because each unit is handcrafted, and so we need the time to make those and get those sent out to you. Okay, thanks so much, and we are looking forward to getting you in the program and having you come along for the ride.